I,
I, Shri Kinjo Lamrattam, having been elected as a member of Khas Hills Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Sa Muslim, ibakan request ng state.